Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys.
Welcome back to our channel video.
In this video,
we will
accompany you
with me, Fitria Rahmayanti,
and I, Ahmad Yadi,
we are from Mathematics Education
2018 in State University of Jakarta.
Okay, Yadi, what are we going to?
Here we will explain about the Cartesian coordinate.
Okay guys.
Hope you enjoy this video.
What is Cartesian coordinate?
A Cartesian coordinate system is a coordinate system that specifies each point uniquely in a plane by a set of numerical.
The coordinates can also be defined as the positions of the perpendicular projections of the point on the two axes.
As we know, in term coordinates, there is a ordered pair. Each ordered pair can be represented by its position in the grid, each pair corresponding to a unique point.
We can locate the positions of these points using a pair of number lines.
For each ordered pair, the first element corresponds to a position on the horizontal number line, and the second element corresponds to a position on the vertical number line.
This system for visualizing ordered pairs for real numbers as points is called the Cartesian coordinate system, and the elements of an ordered pair which corresponds to a point are called the coordinates of the point.
The perpendicular number lines in the Cartesian coordinate system are referred to as axes. The horizontal and vertical axes are often called the x-axis and y-axis.
Sometimes these two axes are referred to as the abscissa and the ordinate. The point where the axes meet represents the number 0 on each axis. This is called the origins of the coordinate system. The origin corresponds to the ordered pair 0, 0.
Then the axes divide into four regions called quadrants. There are numbers from the first to fourth, starting with the upper right quadrants and continuing counterclockwise.
Then we will explain about the history of Cartesian coordinate. The ideas which led to this system were developed by René Descartes in his book La Géométrie. La Géométrie, published in 1637, united algebra and geometry into a single subject, analytic geometry, which describes a geometric shapes by algebraic equations.
The position of any object can be defined using a simple coordinate system. You can describe your phone's location or other location, for example, 10.5 meters from a restaurant, 7.3 meters from a hotel, and 1.2 meters from the ground. In a coordinate system, the three numbers describe your device positions corresponds to a coordinate axis, and the place where zero values along each axis meet is called the origin.
The Cartesian coordinate system uses two axes. X is represents the east-west line and Y is represents that of the north-south. Locations of geometric objects are defined relative a certain point or origin using the notations x, y, where x refers to the horizontal distance and y is the vertical distance along the axis. For each target, there are coordinates to determine its location. A soldier, for example, wants to exploit some enemy targets, and etc. So he must know their exact location with navigation.
We use math widely, especially in economics for analyzing and managing. Most economic calculations apply in a coordinate system.
Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to click like button.
And don't forget to click subscribe button and comment this video.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.